Hi, welcome to UGC NET online pre-coaching. Already I have discussed December 2004 and June 2005. Today I will start new series December 2005. Let's see first question. T is a graph with n vertices. T is a connected and has exactly n minus 1 edges. Then if you know it's a straightforward question. If you know the definition of tree, you can answer easily. Look at the options. T is a tree. T contains no cycle. Every pair of vertices in T is T is connected by exactly one path. This is definition of tree. Tree is a connected acyclic graph. Is called tree. Means if it is a tree, definitely it has n vertices, then n minus 1 edges. Let us assume this is a tree. There are 7 vertices, exactly 6 edges. So n vertices, n minus 1 edges. So it is a tree. Means if T is a graph, n vertices, T is connected and has exactly n minus 1 edges. Means so definitely it is a tree. T is a tree. And T contains no cycle. Yes, it is a cyclic graph is called tree. So it is that is also true. Then every pair of vertices in T is connected by exactly one path. Definitely look at this tree. Every pair of edges connected only exactly one path. So it is also true. So answer is all of these. Means option is D. Look at second question. If the proposition, actually it is not a 7, it is negation. Negation of P implies Q is true, then the truth value of the proposition negation of P or P implies Q is. Look at what you will get. Actually 7 is not a 7, it is negation. Let us assume it is a negation symbol. If it is 7, definitely it is option is D, cannot be determined. Sometime it may be typing mistake, so don't select suddenly it is cannot be determined. So look at check it. This is, let us assume this is a negation. So negation of P implies Q. The negation of P or P implies Q is true. Means negation of P implies Q is true. Then what is the value of negation of P and Q? Negation of P and Q, if it is implication in implies only first one is true, second one is false, then the resulting answer is false. In all other cases is true. So in it is true means what? Definitely this is the combination. True is true, true is true, false is true in implies. So if it is true, then obviously you'll get the logical answers are true, false. This is true, false. Now negation of P or P implies Q. So this is negation of P implies Q. This is means in OR condition both are false, then the answer is false. Otherwise it is true. So you take it in any options, you will not get false, because false is false in OR condition. But here true is true, false is true, false is true. So answer is true. So option is A is right. If it is 7 is considered as a negation. If it is this is a 7, then answer is D, cannot be determined. So in this case, according to me, this is option is A, true. Let A and B two arbitrary events, then probability of A intersection B equal to probability of A into probability of B. Probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. Probability of A union B is less than or equal to probability of A plus probability of B. Probability of A or B equal to probability of A intersection B plus probability. Actually, first three options are all are standard formulas, theorems, but last one is false. Look at the first one is two events A and B are independent, then the probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A and probability of B. Then second one is if two events A and B are mutually exclusive, means additive theorem, then probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. If A and B be two arbitrary events, then probability of A union B less than or equal to probability of A plus probability of B. Conditional probability theorem, actually according to conditional probability theory, probability of A or B is probability of A intersection B by probability of B, but it is plus. So strike out option is D. First three options anyone is right. Now look at the question. Let A and B are two arbitrary events. Here if A and B two arbitrary events, then this is the answer. So option is C. If you know all the formula, you can answer any. Next time it may ask if two A and B are independent, then what is the formula? It may ask any question, so be careful. Look at fourth question. Which statement can be generated by the given is productions S D or B A, and A tends to D or C C A. So look at try to solve this one. The given is S is equal to D or B A is D or C C A. Now start with the initial state. S is equal to B A. You take any one, because if you select a D, it will terminate because it is a terminal symbol. So select B A. Now look at the options. Sometime you may get in first round only answer. So first it will start with B. Here there is no B. Here there is no B. No B. So don't waste your time. Select A is the answer. But anyhow, try to solve this question. Next, if it is A, there are two options. One is D or C C A. If you substitute D, it will stop B D, but there is no option. So continue. Try to substitute. In A is C C A. So answer is B C C A. What is your A? A again you will get C C, but here there is no C C. So you need to stop here. D. All are terminal symbols, so it is not possible to generate next string. So stop here. The answer is B C C D, but there is no option here. According to me, it does not contain A in the production, so it must be A. So by looking half of the answer is right, so select option is A. There is no none of these option also, so there is no other option, so select A, but it is not right answer. Anyhow, looking other options, this is the better answer, so select A. Okay, now we'll move to the fifth question. A regular expression A plus B denotes the set. So A plus B means A or B. Definitely regular expressions, it will not contain a null symbol. This is the standard property. So definitely A plus B means A or B, but not null. So A or B, the option is C. This is a direct question. There is no A plus B means A or B. So simple basic question. Now we'll move to the next question. Which of the following is divisible by 4? This is looking like difficult, but it's very easy if you know how to solve this one. Convert that to decimal number, then check it is divisible by 4 or not. So how will you convert? You will use shortcut method. Select option A. Option is A is 100101100. Then write directly 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2. Write all 8 bits positions. Now this is 0, leave it, this is 0, leave it. Now you'll get a 2 raised to 2, this is 4, plus 2 raised to 3 8, 4 plus 8 is 12, so 2 raised to 5 is 32, 12 plus 32 is 44, then 2 raised to 8 is 256, so 44 plus 256 is definitely 300. So this is, don't select 0 into something is, you will get 0 only, so use shortcut method. 256 plus 32 plus 8 plus 4 is 300. Is 300 divisible by 4? Yes, you will get the first option only. Select A, don't need to check it next one, because there is no none of these options, there is no all of these, so select A, no need to check other options. Okay, but anyhow check it one more. See, 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1, so write 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2. Already you got the answer, just for cross verification you need to check. 2 raised to 0 is 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 1 is 2, so 2 raised to 4 is 16, so sum of all these is 243, but 243 is not divisible by 4. Definitely these two answers are not divisible by 4, because already you got option is A. So select A, don't waste your time. If you have a perfect answer, select and go for next question. Okay, now I hope it's very clear. First, given all binary numbers, write in 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, like that. Where it is 1, take that value. If it is 0, leave it. Then this is 2 raised to 8 is 256, take this one direct value. 2 raised to 5 is 32, take this one. So sum of all these you will get a sum answer. Just check it, is it divisible by 4? 4 is divisible by 300. So straightforward question, there is no need of additional information, so option is A. Half adder is also known as, half adder is, this is the truth table of half adder. If you know the, if both the inputs are low current or high current, it will generate low current. If any one input is high, then the answer is output is high current. So from the above table we conclude that this is you know already, if both are low current or high current, it will generate low current, means it is definitely XOR gate, XOR circuit. So this is also straightforward question, this is XOR. Option is D. Now consider the following sequence of the instructions. This is circle plus A is equal to A plus B, B is equal to, this is given sequence, retains the value of the A and B, or complements the value of A and B, swap the value of A and B, negatives the value of A and B. Now check it how exactly. This is A and B. Now check it, A equal to, first one is A plus B, means add these two. If any both are low or high current, it will generate a low current, otherwise it is high. So this is 1 1, remaining is 0 0. Now second one is B equal to A plus B, means already you know what is A plus B. Now B, compare this one, 0 0 high, low current, 1 1 high, so 0 1 1 0, this is 1 1, these two are 0 0. Now you know what is B. Now check it for A, this is 0 0 is 0, 1 0 is 1, 1 1 is 0, 0 1 is 1. So answer is 0 1 0. This is definitely swap the values of the given values. So hence the sequence swap the values of A and B. Option is C. Now consider the following circuit, the given circuit. This is the given gate. To make it a tautology, the what is the question for this one, which gate is suitable to make it output is true? For this one, check it. If you use, to make this circuit tautology, the output F should contain high values, means input values is high, then output definitely will get a high. So this question mark, just select NAND gate, then check out output. Now you know the X and Y are the given inputs. Now this is OR, R is low, low is low, in all other cases high current. So this is AND, negation of AND. AND is true, true is true, all other cases is false, but negation of that one is true is false, all other cases is true. Now output definitely this is 1 1 because now it is all, there is no low current, definitely it is pass a high current. F have all the values is ones, this can find gate to make it tautology by contradiction method. Consider for NAND gate. Using NAND gate, actually you need to check, this is the first option I have selected. It may better for luck, we may get in first option only answer, but if it is not, then select AND gate, similarly NOR gate. But before answering like this question, first you need to which is suitable gate to get a high current, try to know and select that one. uh, that is, um, you need more practice like these questions. So option is A. I hope there is no doubt. If you have any queries, anything, just mail me. Just subscribe and share the channel. Please inform your friends if it is useful. Really, if you are enjoying my channel, please inform your friends. So we'll look at the last question. When a inverter is placed between both inputs of an SR flip-flop, the resulting flip-flop is, definitely it is SR flip-flop. So D flip-flop, the basic SR flip-flop is used to complement the input. So D flip-flop is the basic SR flip-flop used to complement. So when the inverter is placed between both inputs of SR flip-flop, the resulting flip-flop is D flip-flop. So this is also, if you know the all the flip-flops, you can answer this question easily. I hope you enjoyed my this video. If you have any query, just mail me. Try subscribe the channel and share it. Thank you.